In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excel tips. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, you're ready to explore a few simple but very useful features that can help you work faster and more efficiently. These are the kinds of tips that make a big difference when you're working with spreadsheets regularly, especially when your worksheet starts getting larger. To demonstrate these tips, imagine a simple sample data set with 3 columns: employee, department, and sales. In the rows below, there are a few example entries showing employees in departments like sales, marketing, and finance, along with their sales numbers. Using a small table like this is a great way to practice because it lets you see exactly how each shortcut works in a realistic example. Now let's go over some useful Excel tips. First, use Ctrl+E for flash fill. This tool automatically detects patterns in your data and fills in the rest for you. It's especially helpful when you need to separate or combine text, such as formatting names or extracting parts of an entry. Next, use Ctrl+Shift+L to quickly turn filters on or off. Filters make it much easier to focus on specific data, like viewing only one department or sorting sales from highest to lowest. Another helpful shortcut is Ctrl plus the arrow keys. This lets you quickly jump to the edge of a data range, which saves time when you're navigating through long columns or rows. When you're editing formulas, press F4 to switch between relative and absolute cell references. This is very useful when you want part of a formula to stay fixed while copying it across other cells. You can also double-click the fill handle to quickly copy a formula down an adjacent data range. Instead of dragging manually, Excel automatically fills the formula down to match the surrounding data. Use Ctrl+T to convert your data into an Excel table. Tables make sorting, filtering, and formatting much easier, and they also expand automatically as you add more information. To quickly total numbers, press Alt+=. This inserts an auto-sum formula, which is one of the fastest ways to add up a column of values like sales figures. And finally, use Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. This gives you quick access to number formatting, alignment, borders, and other important display options. A great final tip to remember is that learning just a few keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time when working with large Excel worksheets. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel, and the faster your workflow will become.